again. Thanks for the visit. Approach. Hello? Well, if you'd wanted to meet a precious bounty hunter, that's good. I'll need a partner one day. Maybe that'll be you.
Alright, Sunshine Specialist is your line here. Please make a man up and call you forward.
Enjoy the time. Farewell now. Hello, friend. Well, I'll bet you're good with tech. Which you and Ellie will be impressed with you. Come now. We need to head out. Thanks for the visit. Come on. Approach. Traveler. You're welcome. Enjoy the time. Farewell now. Traveler?
Is that so cool?
Well, hello, traveler. Well, you and Grogu are a lot alike. You both have kids just because